Hi, welcome back. It's G-Man, My World 67, and I just wanted to give you a quick follow-up on that number 60 trolley that I was redoing. And here's that chassis, and I wanted to show you that repair that I did for the spring, and I've got it all painted black now, and it all came out nice, the way it went together and everything. There's the original side, that's the way it's supposed to look and hook. And here's my side that was done with the paper clip. Now I'm probably going to put a little more black on that, get it a little darker. Remember I said that these were rusted. I cleaned them up a little more and then painted them black. And I wanted to show you how it runs. And no problems, absolutely no problems with that spring clip repair. The bumper repair on the end works great. Also, I wanted to show you remember the front end on this was broken out, and you can see I repaired it. Get it down here where you can see it. I repaired it with white styrene. Glued it all together. Split this window to make a destination board window in there, as it has one on the other side, on the other end. I'll turn this flash off if I can. Get a little better picture. And that's the original end. This was broken right here. I re-glued it. Nice solid repair. This was broken right here, and that was re-glued also. So it actually had a really bad crack in it, and I repaired it. And then of course all of this up here was broken out. And like I say, I took some styrene and Plastistructs, or evergreen styrene, and made a new section for that. Now I'm not finished with it yet. I'll finish it up probably tomorrow. It's getting late this evening, and I really don't usually work on things on Sunday. But I just wanted to show you how far we've gotten on this. And I've still got to put in this door section, make that door section for it. It probably won't be exactly like this side, but it will be as close as I can get it with whatever scrap plastic that I have to build it out of. And when we get all done with it, we're going to paint it yellow and see how it looks. And I'm actually thinking about painting the whole trolley a different color than the yellow. I actually already have one, as I said, original this yellow. And there's nothing wrong with having two of them, but I might change it. We'll see how it looks when we get all done with it. Also, when you set this shell on the body and you put the roof on, originally Lionel had a line that came out, a rod that came out from the top and allowed it to hook on to, well, it was a trolley, a cable trolley, and they had it so that it would hook on to a make-believe line, or you could actually probably hook it on to a piece of thread or something. And what happens is as the car moves, I don't know whether you can see it or not, it moves. Now, I didn't have the original piece for that, so I actually took a piece of copper wire and made that, and just experimenting with some different methods. That was an anchor, and I cut it off and wrapped that wire around it, kind of anchored it into the plastic, and then put this out straight with a little hoop on the end of it. Now, the one that Lionel made originally is about almost twice that long, and this is a black little piece that went in up here on the top, and it's set a little bit shorter than that one. And so as you see, this does work for what it does, but I don't know whether I'm going to try to improve on that. I'll definitely, if I keep it and use it, I'll paint it black. That's a definite. I can't shorten it much more than that because the rod itself only goes up in to the anchor so far. So I might shorten it a little more and put it on there that way. Or I might not put it on at all and just plug that hole up, give it a smokestack, and make it have gone from the cable car to like a diesel engine. But we'll see. We'll see. Well, that's all I have for you for now. Just wanted to share that with you. Also, I did test the whistle out of Hiawatha tinder, and it does work. It was stuck when I first started fooling with it. It does turn every now and then. It whistles. For some reason, it does not whistle all the time, but the motor does run and it does turn. And I'll probably fool with it a little more when I get a little more time and see if I can get it going. If not, I might replace it with one. I think I've got one in a Marks. I've got an old Marks train station and a Glendale, I think, and it would be they look almost just exactly alike. And so I might take that and substitute it. But we'll see. Like I say, it does turn. I don't know why it doesn't whistle all the time. But we'll see what's going on with it, and we'll let you know. Tomorrow I plan to do an update on the American Flyer Tender, and got a busy week this week, but we're going to try to see what we can do with it. And also, should be able to do a final video on this trolley. All right, that's all I have for you for now. As always, happy rails until we meet again. G-Man.